show that the given two curves touch each other at the point P. So we prove that slope of the curve at P equal to slope of the second curve at P are equal. M1 equal to M2 at P. Then we say that the two curves are touch each other. Differentiate one with respect to x. Differentiate 1 with respect to x. 6 into 2x minus 5 plus 2 into dy by dx equal to 0. We want this dy by dx. 2 into dy by dx. 5 minus 12x minus 5 becomes to plus 5 plus 12x minus 12x. So dy by dx equal to 5 minus 12x by 2. So M1 equal to dy by dx at P point 1 by 2 comma 1 by 2. Substitute x value 1 by 2. 5 minus 12 into 1 by 2 by 2. 2 6 times cancel. 5 minus 6 minus 1 by 2. So M1 value minus 1 by 2. Next. Similarly, differentiate the second equation. Differentiate this one with respect to x. 4 into 2x. 8 into 2y into dy by dx equal to 0. 2 cancel. 8y into dy by dx equal to minus 4x. 4 2 times cancel. So dy by dx equal to minus x by 2y. Next, M2 equal to dy by dx at P 1 by 2 comma 1 by 2. So minus 1 by 2. X value 1 by 2. Y value 1 by 2. This 2 is this one. 1 by 2, 1 by 2 cancel. So M2 value minus 1 by 2. So M1 value minus 1 by 2. M2 value minus 1 by 2. So M1 equal to M2 equal to minus 1 by 2. So angle is 0 degrees. That means the two circles are touch each other. So we write the two curves are touch each other at the point P. At the point P. Next, LAQ second. LAQ second. Given curves are y square equal to 4 into x plus 1. Y square equal to 36 into 9 minus x. Show that the two curves are intersect orthogonally. Orthogonally means perpendicularly. So we prove that m1 into m2 equal to minus 1. Then theta equal to 90 degrees. In the previous problem, given point of intersection. In this problem, not given point of intersection. So first calculate point of intersection. How to calculate point of intersection? Solve two curve equations. From 1 and 2, y square equal to y square. First y square, 4 into x plus 1, 36 into 9 minus x, 4, 9 times cancel. X plus 1 equal to 81 minus 9x. X plus 9x, 81 minus 1. 10x equal to 80. 0, 0 cancel. X value 8. Substitute this x value in 1. From 1, y square equal to 4 into 8 plus 1. 8 plus 1, 9. 9 into 4, 36. So, y value under root 36. Under root 36. That is 6. So, P point is a x value 8, y value 6. Next, calculate m1 and m2. Differentiate 1. Differentiate 1 with respect to x. Y square equal to 4 into x plus 1. 2y into dy by dx. 4 into 1. 2 table. 2 times cancel. Dy by dx equal to 2 by y. So m1 dy by dx at p 8 comma 6. So 2 by y value 6. 2 table cancel. So m1 value 1 by 3. Next, differentiate 2 with respect to x. Y square equal to 36 into 9 minus x. 2y into dy by dx. 36 into derivative of 9, 0. Derivative of x equal to 1. So dy by dx equal to minus 36 by 2y. Next, calculate m2. m2 equal to dy by dx at p point 8 comma 6. m2 equal to minus 36 by 2 into 6. Y value 6. 12. 12th table. 3 times cancel. So m2 value minus 3. So m1 value 1 by 3. m2 value minus 3. So m1 into m2. 3 cancel. Minus 1. So clearly m1 into m2 equal to 1 by 3 into minus 3. 1 by 3 into minus 3. 3 cancel. Minus 1. So theta equal to 90 degrees. That means the two curves are intersect orthogonally.